do you really need an ND filter for your DJI Osmo Pocket 3? What I have here is a variable ND filter from PNF. I'm going to do a comparison test with and without ND filter, whether it's worth getting an ND filter for your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So without wasting my time, let's get started. You can see that with this ND filter, let me just come close so that you can see. As I change it, it stops the light more. And normally people who get ND filters are pros, but me, I'm not a pro, by the way. So what they would normally recommend is that you shoot in manual exposure. So this is a shot. This is shot in auto. This is without an ND filter. Currently, the sun is dying out, but ND filters are basically like sunglasses for your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So because I'm shooting in auto, this is how it looks like, and this is without the ND filter on. Just wanted to do a shot here for you to see. This is without the ND filter on, you know. So what I'm going to do, let me switch to the front view. You know, let me get some view of the place for you to see. So ND filters are normally used when the sun is really out, and currently it's around 4 o'clock p.m. and actually it's the perfect time to shoot content because the sun is dying out. So ND filter on currently. This is with the ND filter on, and again the sun is dying out here, but you can see that with the ND filter on, it kind of looks the same. Let me know in the comments below which one looks better, with or without ND filter.